Hello guys, this is Raja with you. Today I'm going to tell you that how you can earn money online in your normal routine, normal life instead of wasting time. Do these activities on social media, WhatsApp, Twitter, WeChat, whatever social media account you are using. I will tell you some activities that you have to do by Leadup app. LBL is giving you a good opportunity that you can earn money through Leadup app. So guys, what you have to do, first of all, you have to install Leadup app from Play Store if you are using Android, or if you are using Apple, you have to download from Apple Store with new version 4.0. After that, you will see on the first page user ID password. So guys, regarding this user ID password, what you have to do, you have to create an account. I will send you a link on my next video that you can able to create an account. It's a free registration. You can create an account freely. After creating account, you will see this page, earning dashboard. There is too many things: my earn, my leads, watch and earn, click and earn, shop and earn, social activities. There is so many options. So these are all activities you have to do in your normal life. These all things I will tell you in my next videos, how you can earn money through this channel, through this application that is introduced by LBL Corporation. So this is a good opportunity for you all guys. Please, regarding this, what you have to do, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon button and subscribe it for updates and more videos regarding LBL. Thank you guys.